Now let's talk about the Assistant, which is powered by AI technology. Using the Assistant, you can simply ask questions and receive answers from Factbird to guide you in the right direction. So we can click on Insights here if we want to navigate to the Assistant, and then we just come up here and move from Golden Badge to Assistant. Here, you can actually just ask Factbird a question. You can ask it directly and it will query for data. So the whole point behind this is that a lot of the data is available within Factbird, but we want to make it as easy as possible for you to get to the data you want. So if you have a specific question, such as show me the total units produced each day on bottling line 1 in the past 2 weeks. That's some data that you specifically want before a shift meeting or whatever it might be. And we can get the system to search that. Then it is going to start querying the data over the past 2 weeks and finding the data you're looking for when it will present to you what you were looking for. So here we can see the data that has been pulled from the system, the results of looking at the daily production on bottling line 1 over the last 2 weeks. It's going to first just show you the data that you've asked for, show you the number of units produced each day with the date stamp, but then it's also going to give you some reflections. So it's going to say there's a lot of production variability day to day, maybe something that should be investigated. It will tell you what the day of peak production was, the number of days with no production, low production. It's just going to give you some insights that the AI sees from the data that you've queried. And then there's recommended follow-up questions that you can ask, or you can also free text a follow-up question to the system. If you would like to do that, you can just type another question directly in here. However, if you'd like to start a new query, you can just come down here, click New, and it will bring you back to the original page where you can do a new question.